Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. So you all know that Adorable Bliss is celebrating their 1 year anniversary. So I thought that I would order some of their best sellers. So I ended up purchasing 3 of their best sellers and I got 2 freebies like the samples to test and try. So I thought that I'll share my review and haul with you guys for Adorable Bliss. Now Adorable Bliss is an Indian perfume website and as I said that they're celebrating their 1 year anniversary. So since 1 year they have been bringing these amazing women fragrances which kind of like suit different moods, different personalities and all of that. And with time they have been kind of releasing very consistently and they have like a good set of perfumes that are available for women. Great customer service, easy accessible website, easy to use website, and the prices are also nominal and affordable, and the quality of the perfumes absolutely amazing. They are not synthetic, they work really well in Indian weather, and overall all the perfumes that I have so far experienced from Adorable Bliss, I found them to be top notch. That really matters to me. The packaging is very cohesive, everything about them is like a 10 out of 10. So I am very excited to be sharing this video today. I have everything from Adorable Bliss in this box. This is the same box that it came in, nicely packed it was. Now it's looking disheveled because that's what I did here, but yeah, the packaging came really well. I've shared an unboxing video of this as a short and a reel on my Instagram as well as YouTube shorts, so if you want to see the unboxing you can check that out as well. So let's begin with the video. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you've hit the bell notification, and you follow me on Instagram. On Instagram my handle is myperfumediaries_. So make sure you find me and follow me there if you're interested into perfume content, because that's what I majorly do here. All right, so let's get started. First we're going to start off with a citrus veil. Now citrus veil comes in this nice kind of like light green color box, cardboard box with details in dark green. The box ke piche you'll get to see the ingredients and manufacturing details and pricing and everything. This is a 50 ml bottle and you get it at the price of 1899 rupees. From the inside, this is how the packaging is. This is very giftable. The perfume is comfortably sitting in this satin bed and all the notes are written right here on the package. First, let's just get through the packaging and then I'll talk about the notes. This is how the perfume bottle looks like. It is so cutesy, so travel friendly and very simple and to the point. Also, it's good for storage because it's quite tiny, right? So it looks like a blue pear ka soap, isn't it? So that's the overall packaging. On opening, this is how the atomizer is and this is how the sprayer works. Diffuses the product really well. Now this one is legit summers in a bottle. It is fresh, it is zesty, it is like a zesty kick on your face, fresh and good start of the morning, like splashing your face in the morning. It just has that kind of awakening sort of a feel or a kick to it. It has opening of tangerine and lime, and trust me, the lime is very strong here. Tangerine is giving that sweet sour kind of a tanginess wala effect. Then it has black pepper in the heart notes. It's very unique to have like a spicy black pepper note sitting in the mid notes of a freshy fragrance, so that just makes it very unique here. And base notes of patchouli and white musk. Now patchouli is definitely giving that woody earthy nuance in this fragrance, and then white musk is kind of bringing a lot of brightness in this fragrance. It's not making it powdery. This is not a powdery scent. This is also not a soapy fragrance. It's a clean girl scent without it being soapy. So this is like a zesty, refreshing, citrusy, aquatic kind of a fragrance in my opinion, and legit summers in the bottle. The color is also so interesting and absolutely screams summer. Gives a longevity of around 8 to 10 hours. Sillage and projection in the first hour is loud and then it kind of becomes medium, and then after a few hours, like around 4 hours gap, it kind of becomes closer to skin scent. The next one is Floral Serenity, and this one is the pink box, and again it has the details behind and all of that. And once you open, the similar pattern bottle is sitting here and the notes breakdown is present here. Let's give it a good spray. Now this perfume is a rose dominating a fragrance which is very elegant, sophisticated, mature, put together, and has a subtle richy rich vibe also to it. It has a very calming effect also going on. So lots of things happening in this fragrance. It opens up with some May rose, saffron and black pepper, goes into Turkish rose, Bulgarian rose and some coffee. 3 types of roses are present here, so you can imagine how rosy and how pink this fragrance smells like. In the base notes, you have patchouli, incense, sandalwood, and amber. Now you can take a guess that from the notes breakdown, this has a very rose dominating thing going on, but it's not milky, it's not creamy, it's not sweet kind of a rose. It's kind of like a fresh yet woody and mature sort of a rose scent. It has a subtle natural sweetness to it, which is lingering in the background for me, which I love the most. The subtlety that's there in this fragrance is something that I love the most. And you know, when you kind of like pluck a red rose का petal or a pink rose का petal, fresh rose में से आपने pluck किया, and you wash it and you take a bite of it, तो वो जो एक हल्का सा ग्रीन नुआंस, एक पल्पी फील, एक रोजी सेंट प्लस टेस्ट एंड जो एक हिंट ऑफ स्वीटनेस मिलता है ना वो बाइट लेने, इसमें वो एसेंस नेचुरली कैप्चर हुआ है इस परफ्यूम में. आई सीरियसली डोंट नो कैसे किया पता नहीं, बट वो एसेंस इसमें स्टोर हुआ है एंड दैट इज द मोस्ट यूनिक थिंग दैट आई फाइंड इन दिस परफ्यूम. मेरे पास बहुत रोज फ्रेग्रेंसेज है, बट that natural sweetness without having a vanilla or without having that, you know, sweet accord in the notes, I don't know how they've done it, but I love that so much in this fragrance. That natural sweetness in the rose along with like that woodiness and that hint of black pepper, absolutely gorgeous. This literally reminds me of this blush pink color, and मुझे ना इसको जैसे ही मैंने लगाया, the first thing that came to my mind was 90s के टाइम पे वो जो फेयर एंड लवली की एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स आती थी ना, जिसमें वो काइंड ऑफ एकदम ब्लश पिंक फ्लोरल फ्लोई काइंड ऑफ ड्रेसेस पहन के एकदम पिंक वाला मेकअप करके गर्ल्स यूज टू डू दैट फेयर एंड लवली वाला. मुझे ना बिल्कुल टुक मी टू दैट एरा. इट जस्ट transported me to that mental picture where a beautiful girl is kind of like wearing this dress and all of that. Very crazy, but I love this fragrance. Okay, I love myself a good rose fragrance. This is elegance in the bottle. Let's move on to Mystic Musk. I have no idea how many thousands of bottles they must have sold of this particular fragrance, and won't go into the details of the box now. We'll directly jump onto the bottle and the perfume. Now, Mystic Musk, as the name suggests, it's a musky vanilla fragrance. इसके जितने ही लेयर्स हैं परफ्यूम के, द टॉप, हार्ट एंड द बेस नोट, ऑल थ्री हैव वेनिला इन इट. ओके, इन सम और द अदर फॉर्म. इसके टॉप नोट्स में है वेनिला ऑर्किड विद सम हीलियोट्रोप, बर्बन वेनिला एंड मर. तो दो टाइप के वेनिला तो इसके टॉप नोट्स में ही है. Then it has bees wax, which kind of makes it a little waxy and very interesting. Then it has Madagascar vanilla, some tonka bean and some meringues. Now जो मर, टोंका बीन, इनकी वजह से ना एक काइंड ऑफ अर्थी बिटरनेस ऐड होती है इस फ्रेग्रेंस में. बेस नोट्स हैड वाइट मस्क, वेनिला एब्सोल्यूट, सैंडलवुड एंड बेंजोइन. तो ये हल्का सा स्वीट भी है, ये हल्का सा अर्थी भी है, मस्की भी है और वेनिलिक भी. नॉट गुरमॉन्ड लेवल स्वीट, it is a earthy level sweet, musky sweet kind of a fragrance. One of the best mature vanillas that I have experienced so far, and this gives me a reminder of Latafa Seher. Now I'll just show you the bottle for Latafa Seher. तो ये Latafa Seher है ना, इसका फील और मिस्टिक मस्क का फील काफ़ी सिमिलर है, और इन दोनों को अगर आपने लेयर कर दिया तो बस दिस इज़ लाइक अ वेनिला हेवन इन माई ओपिनियन. मुझे ये दोनों फ्रेग्रेंसेज ही बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, और मैंने शहर में भी ये चीज़ बोली है, इसमें भी ये बोल रही हूँ कि ये जो पूरा कॉम्बिनेशन है ना, थोड़ा सा फ्लोरल, हल्का सा नुआंस विथ वेनिला एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट विथ मस्क, जो फाउंटेन पेन का इंक का जो स्मेल होता है ना, ब्लू इंक का, इसमें एक बैकग्राउंड में वो फील मुझे मिलता है इन सारे कॉम्बिनेशंस के साथ, विच इज़ द मोस्ट सेक्सीएस्ट वेनिला इन माई ओपिनियन. बहुत ही एक रॉ फील देता है ये, और एक बहुत ही नेचुरल फील भी देता है ये, विच मेक्स इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. तो मेरे हिसाब से ये इनका बेस्ट सेलर है फॉर ऑल द गुड रीजंस. तो या तो आप फाउंटेन पेन इंक काइंड ऑफ से इमेजिन करो, या फिर आप एक थोड़ा सा आलमंड ऑयल या आलमंड बिटरनेस से इमेजिन करो. दैट मिक्सिंग अप विथ ऑल दीज थिंग्स, थोड़ा सा एक बैकग्राउंड में नटीनेस, पाउडरीनेस चल रहा है, बस दिस इज मिस्टिक मस्क. थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड तरीके से मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर आई मेड इट वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड फॉर यू टू इमेजिन, बट दैट्स हाउ दिस फ्रेग्रेंस इज. इट जस्ट डिजर्व्स that kind of an explanation. This also gives me a longevity of 8 to 10 hours with projection from loud to medium in some hours. Those were the top 3 bestsellers from Adorable Bliss, and for all the good reasons. Now I have 2 of their samples, and these 2 are from their limited edition, which are recently introduced. And let's talk about the pink one first, obviously. Now this one is Marshmallow Crush, and मैंने इसको जब sniff किया and I was like, परमानेंट लाइन में लेकर आओ। मतलब मैंने लिटरली अडोरेबल ब्लिस के इंस्टाग्राम पे जाके मैसेज किया उन्हें कि भाई आई लव दिस and can this be made available in the permanent line so that if I want to repurchase it I have that option to do so. It's that good. It's a beautiful marshmallow fragrance. Now it's also very balanced. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत ही strong gourmand है, बहुत balanced है. इसमें है फ्रीशिया इटालियन लेमन नेक्टरीन ब्लॉसम एंड एम्पल and apple, heart notes of marshmallow, strawberry, coconut, orange blossom, whipped cream, sugar, vanilla, musk, raspberry and ambroxan. जहाँ पे भी raspberry आती है ना, I know for sure कि मुझे वो परफ्यूम पसंद आने ये this is not similar to all the other fragrances which are dominated with marshmallow, especially जो ये हमारा केयाली का marshmallow प्रोफाइल है, this one is very different from that. तो अगर आपको एक marshmallow का थोड़ा सा different fragrance चाहिए, go for this one. And the kick, the fruity kick that you're going to get with the strawberry and the raspberry, you're definitely going to feel that. मतलब वो एक strong kick है. So I like this one. I hope that they bring it in their permanent line. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि बहुत refined notes हैं इसके. It kind of should be made permanent. And the second one that I have is Woods of Grey. Now this one has notes of Casey's, May Rose, Freesia, Vanilla, Patchouli, Woody notes and ambroxan. And जब मैंने इसको अप्लाई किया और टेस्ट एंड ट्राई किया तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि दिस वन इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ लाइट फ्लोरल अर्थी हर्बल ग्रीन वुडी काइंड ऑफ अ फ्रेग्रेंस. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई फेल्ट. इसमें जो स्वीटनेस है वो काफ़ी हल्की है, इन द बैकग्राउंड इट्स गोइंग ऑन, बट इसके जो ग्रीन वुडी नुआंसेस हैं विथ that light floral, that is what is like the essence of this fragrance. This is mature, it's elegant, it is office appropriate, it is formal wear appropriate is what I felt. Overall a very graceful, feminine, mature scent in my opinion. So that completes my haul plus review of the best sellers from Adorable Bliss. They are best sellers for reason and I vouch for their quality. It is so good. These perfumes are so good, quality wise, performance wise, suitable for Indian weather and all of the good things. Pricing से लेके सब कुछ. तो भाई मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया ये रिव्यू और हॉल करके. एंड मेरे पास और भी अडोरेबल ब्लिस के परफ्यूम्स हैं, सो आई विल डेफिनेटली डू अ टॉप 5 from Adorable Bliss and stay tuned for upcoming videos and I'll also try to do reels on these individual fragrances ताकि अगर आप पूरा long form video ना देखना चाहो, you want to see only precise reviews for each of these, maybe I'll like record reels and shorts for it, right? Thank you so much for watching. If you liked my work, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification and follow me on Instagram and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.